everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix missing photos or videos on iPhone. Discovering that your cherished photos or videos have vanished from your iPhone can be distressing. Fortunately, there is a often straightforward mix. The key is to begin with a simple restart of your iPhone. This basic step can resolve many software glitches that might be causing your media to go missing. After the restart, check your Photos app. In this video I'll also tell you some more steps to solve this problem, and with these steps you are likely to recover your lost media. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart iPhone to fix temporary issue. Restarting your iPhone can often resolve issues with missing photos or videos. This simple action refreshes the system and can eliminate software glitches. To restart, pressing quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button. Next, press the power button and then slide to power off. Wait for some time and press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is discover different album for videos and photos. To locate the missing photos or videos on your iPhone, check different albums within the Photos app. Sometimes media files are sorted into specific albums, such as imports for content transfer from external sources like PCs, emails or other apps. If you are unable to find your media in regular album, explore the hidden and recently deleted folder. Under the utilities section, you might need to authenticate with Face ID or passcode to access these folders. For this, go to Photos app, scroll down. Here you can see different options like imports, hidden or recently deleted. Tap on it. To recover hidden or deleted media on your iPhone, tap on the folder. Open the folder with your Face ID. Next, tap select at the top right corner and then tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on recover all and then tap on recover photo to confirm, and you are done. Remember, these actions need to be done for each specific folder individually. I hope this video will help you to fix missing photos or videos on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.